Hi, beauty. Welcome back again. I'm your girl, Khadija Ahmad. If you see me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Guys, how do I look? Beautiful. I look beautiful. Yeah. Guys, I want to quickly show you this simple head wrap you can tie without pin using your scarf, your hair tie, your Ankara to tie without pin. Stay tuned. Let's tie it together. I'm feeling myself. Guys, I spread this. I spread it. Look at. Then see the way I'm going to see. Just hold it. Just create some pleats. Place it through the back. See? Adjust it. See the way I cross it. Then if you twist it, see, because we are not going to use pin, twist it. See the ring, the hand here. What you need to do is to open it. See the way I open it. Take it back. This one too. This SS one. See? I take the SS one back. See the SS one there. You arrange. See? Arrange it. You knot it at the back. See the way I knot it. You knot it twice. See this SS one. What you need to do, just fold it in. See? See? Just fold it in and leave this and leave some SS out. See? Just feel. Look at. Just leave that one there for the style. Look at. You adjust it to your desire. Adjust it. Just leave that one there and shift it back for more beauty. Look at. Here, number two. You lose it. See, number two. Push this one in. Arrange it. Arrange. You arrange. You twist. See? You twist. 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 Just find somewhere to secure it. Just put it there. Very easy and very simple. Look at. You're good to go. The number three. The number three. See? And just place it like this. Mm-hmm. This to ring. Back. Look like that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, please, please, comment, please. I'm begging. Please encourage me. Thank you. See you again next time. I love you guys. Bye. Bye-bye.